Hello everyone, thank you very much joining me in this video. My name is Saidur, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how can you set up your environmental variable under the bash profile. So this is my Linux server. Let me show you the name of my server. You have to type hostname. As you can see, the name of my server is the FTCI, and I already installed Oracle binary, and I already create the database as well. Okay, so let me try to connect to the database now using SQL Plus utility. SQL Plus is a sysdba, and when I type this command, as you can see, I'm not able to connect to the database because I did not set up my environmental variable under the bash profile. So let me show you how can you set your environmental variable under the bash profile. So what you have to do, you open your bash underscore profile file. So bi then dot bash profile, and then click enter, and then as you can see over there this insert, then we have to add few lines there, right? So I already write everything on my notepad. What I'm just copy and paste there. So we are exporting Oracle base, and then we are exporting Oracle home, then we are exporting Oracle SID, I mean the name of our database, and then we are exporting the path or the bin file, bin folder. Okay, so everything is set, right? Now what you can do, we can save and exit. WQ and save and exit, right? So after you set up the environmental variable, you have to execute the bash profile one time. So how can you execute it? You have to type dot, then space, then dot bash profile, and then hit enter. Okay, so now environment variable is set. If you want to see the content of the file, you can do it like this. As you can see, there's 4 lines we added in this file: export Oracle base, export Oracle home, export Oracle SID, and that's the bin path, Oracle home bin path, right? Everything looks good. So what I'm going to do now, type SQL plus slash as a sysdba, and now as you can see, you are able to connect to your database. Select name from b dollar database, and as you can see, the database name is prod.ny. So the main reason and main benefit you will get if you set up the environmental variable under the bash profile, when you open a new connection, right, you don't have to set the environmental variable manually, right? All you have to do, you just type SQL plus slash as a sysdba, and directly, I'm sorry for my typo, SQL plus slash as sysdba, and as you can see, you are able to connect to the database. So this is the benefit you will get if you set the environmental variable under the bash profile. It will reduce big amount of time. That means you don't have to execute or you don't have to export the Oracle base, Oracle SID, or Oracle home when you open a new connection. You can set up under the bash profile, and when you type SQL plus, automatically you are able to connect to the database as I showed you in this video. If you have any question, if you have any concern, if you are not able to do it properly, send me an email. I will try to help you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.